Welcome to Lesson 7.6, Fraction Multiplication. The essential question is, how do you multiply fractions? In this lesson, we will need to be able to divide out common factors in the fractions, so we'll be able to simplify them to lowest terms, and that will make solving easier. For our first problem, 1/2 multiplied by 3/5, going to write a fraction bar, and on the top of the fraction bar we are going to multiply the numerators, 1 times 3, and underneath we're going to multiply the denominators, 2 times 5. 1 times 3 is 3, 2 times 5 is 10, and so our solution is 3/10. Next we're going to multiply 6 whole by 2/3. To do this, we should recognize that any whole number can be written over 1, and we are going to multiply the numerators, 6 times 2, over the denominators, 1 times 3. But instead, I'm going to write 3 times 1, because with the commutative property, I can change the order of the values. And we know we can multiply 6 times 2 to get 12, 3 times 1 to get 3, and there are 4 3's in 12. But there is a shortcut. If we look at 6 over 3, 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Therefore, we can cross out the 6, and we can cross out the 3, and replace it with 2 over 1. 3 divides into 6 2 times. 3 divides into 3 1 time. And then we multiply 2 times 2 to equal 4, and 1 times 1 is equal to 1. So we get the same solution of 4. For our next problem, we have 3/8 multiplied by 8/9. Here, we can easily see that 8 divides into 8 1 time, and that 3 divides into 3 once, 3 divides into 9 3 times. So 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Had we not done that, we could have multiplied 3 times 8 to get 24. 8 times 9 to get 72. At this point, you would need to divide out common factors that are in 24 and 72. You may have found that 8 goes into 24 3 times, and 8 goes into 72 9 times. An advanced skill set is to identify that 24 divides into 72 3 times, and that would get you to 1/3 a bit quicker. The commutative property comes into play here because, once again, the order should not matter. I could multiply 25 by 66, but in the denominator area, we could multiply 75 times 99. Multiplying these values is quite a chore, and there's a shortcut for everything. So let's see. How many 25s are in 75? There are 3, and 1 25 and 25. 66 and 99. Well, 33 divides into 66 and into 99. If you didn't know that, hopefully you'd be able to determine that 11 divides into 66 and 99, both 6 and 9 times. And 3 divides into 6 twice. 3 divides into 9 3 times. So 66 99ths is equivalent to 2/3. Next, 1 times 2 is 2. 3 times 3 is 9. So we'll be solving some problems like this that require you to step it up in terms of being able to identify larger common factors to make your life easier.